Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special unboxing video. I told y'all in the previous video that I had a surprise unboxing video coming up, and it was a mystery, and it literally is a mystery. Like, what do I have? What am I gonna get? Who knows? But I got the Jeffree Star Deluxe Edition mystery box. Okay, how about we open her up? They really. This box is always so confusing how to open them up. I didn't remember. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Halfway through. I wish. Hold on. We're gonna cheat here. Well, how about we just hold for a second. Right. I'm back with a knife. Let's open up this bad boy. Okay. Ooh. What? Oh, there we go. The dramatic. What's inside? I'm like so excited. Okay, now the last one, I was like pretty like, I didn't much care for it. Like, I got a lot of stuff. I used like 2 things out of it and like gave away and sold the rest. Well, 3 things if you count my pop socket. Um, I gave the other 2 things away, like 3 things away, like it just wasn't me. And so, like, he promised this time it would be like way better. And the pictures I've been seeing and the videos are all amazing. Now, I see a peek of a lippy. Here it goes. Orange paper. Alright. Let's see what we have first. First, we have the ever-loving orange pop socket. That will go with my pop socket collection because I have this one on the back of my phone. I also have the red one, and I bought a green one, and it is on its way. So, alright, let's see. What else should we do next? How about we do the Supreme Frost and hypothermia. Let's open up this bad boy. Now, I wish I'd kind of gotten a premium one too because they had liquid frost. And I'm like, and lip ammo. And I'm like, what? Where could we get lip ammo? Like, seriously. Okay, there it is. Like, so pretty. You have to wait, please. I don't own Supreme Frost. I have his limited edition Skin Frost, the silver one. And I wanted to give away, and I love it so much. So far we have Pop Socket and Supreme Frost. Okay, so the next thing we have is lip liner. I've always been wanting to try these, and they're super cute. And I got androgyny. Not some weird, lame, bright color. Right. Open up this big boy. I'm so excited. What the hell? Oh, I see. Okay. You gotta pop that. Like, seriously, how do you open it? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, is that plastic on it? Seriously, how do you open? Oh, there it is. Let's, oh, there we go. There's that. 1 second. To plug in my ring light, so there it is. Pretty lip liner. I don't usually lip liner, like lip liner, but I would use this. It will look so cute in my collection. Okay. How the fudge? Oh, I see. Okay. You gotta put the. Holy crikey. Damn, girl, I did not want to go in. Whatever. Okay. So, we got those. The next is. How about this one? In the shade Mannequin. Mannequin. Oops. Which is a pretty nude color. What? Mannequin. That's really cool. I see these on Facebook groups all the time, and like they go, people sell them and they go like really fast. I'm like, what? All right. Let's see. The next one we have is Diva, which I got in my last one, and I sold it to a lovely lady who likes pink colors. So once again, we have Diva.
I need a pocket full.
Okay, go wait.
Okay.
Okay. Just making sure that the heat didn't get to them. That's Diva. Okay, so the next thing we have is Jeffree Star Metal Star. You have to wait, please.
Okay.
I'll be out in a minute.
It's locked.
Yes, I know. Okay, so next thing we have is, I've actually had thought about buying this one because, well, I like peach. I have the peach popsicle lip scrub. It's a good thing I didn't buy it. It smells okay. It's not bad. Okay, now this is the, ooh, that gave me a headache. This is the $70 box. So, the next one is poinsettia. Ooh. I'm gonna look up poinsettia real quick because, let's see. Poinsettia. Oops. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like on somebody because it looks really freaking cute. Okay, that's what it looks like. Poinsettia. That's really cute. Let's see if it looks like we have Diva lipstick. Jeffree Star. That's what Diva looks like. Then we have mannequin. Put this in the box first. Mannequin. Here it is. A mannequin looks like this. That's really nude. Right now, I'm wearing the Jeffree with the candy ass on the top. Okay, now last but not least, actually I have one more item after this. This is the question mark. Now people said that there was two different kinds, a purplish one and more of a pinky one. I got the pinky one. And we're going to swatch this. See what it look like. Oh, Bubba, yeah. Yes, please. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is the limited edition. It's only gonna be the only time it's ever gonna be made. So I'm very happy. Okay. Now the last thing we have is my shirt. Open up this bad boy. Ooh, I got a large. Maybe I should. Holy crap! This thing is freaking huge. Oh my god. This thing looks like a freaking dress. I'm gonna put it on. Oh my god. Please don't be long. Okay. The thing is, it's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Well, okay. Not too shabby. I like it. Hi, how are you in the back? Okay. Yeah, this isn't bad. I could get used to this. I like my shirts a little baggy. So, to recap, shirt, pop socket, straw, poinsettia, question mark, hypothermia supreme frost, mannequin, diva, androgyny lip liner, and peach popsicle lip scrub. All for the price of $70. I'm so excited for his next one. He's supposed to be doing 2 more before the end of the year, so I'm pretty stoked. So I can't wait to get more. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And my next video will be my July Ipsy Glam Plus. So I hope you all have a great day. Bye.